Before we start, do this simple exercise with me. Raise both the hands overhead and now do a body weight squat. अब आप नोटिस करो आप कैसा फील कर रहे हो. डू यू फील टाइटनेस इन योर शोल्डर्स? डू यू फील स्टिफनेस इन योर हिप्स? या आपको लग रहा है कि आपकी डेप्थ लिमिटेड है? Now watch this video till the end. Do all the exercises with me. Come back and repeat this same exercise and notice करो क्या आपको कुछ डिफरेंस फील हो रहा है. अब सच बताओ कि आपका वार्म अप वर्कआउट से पहले कैसा दिखता है. 5 minutes वॉक या जॉग ऑन ट्रेडमिल, या फिर फ्यू जंपिंग जैक्स, या फिर सम आर्म सर्कल्स एंड देन स्ट्रेट इनटू लिफ्टिंग वेट्स. शायद यही होगा. द प्रॉब्लम इज this type of warm up is not preparing your body for your workout. This type of warm up is only increasing your heart rate, and there is a huge difference between warm up and mobility training, and most people don't realize this. If your shoulders feel stiff when you're pressing, if your hips feel tight when you're squatting, if your back feel uncomfortable after deadlifts, या if you are constantly feeling tightness after sitting all day, then your body is not asking for a harder workout. It's asking for a better movement. And that's exactly what we are going to do today. So we are doing a 8-minute mobility routine. And ये mobility routine आप अपने किसी भी workout के पहले कर सकते हो to improve the way you move. या फिर आप ये mobility अपने rest days पे भी कर सकते हो to reduce stiffness and improve flexibility. कोई इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं चाहिए, कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मूवमेंट्स नहीं है. जस्ट सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेज दैट योर बॉडी विल थैंक यू फॉर. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nitika Anand. I am a certified fitness trainer and a nutrition coach, and I have been training women from past 8 years now. And today I am going to take you through a complete full body mobility routine. Move slowly, don't rush, and don't worry about how flexible you are. Mobility is not about touching your toes. Mobility is about making your body move better. Now let's start with the mobilities, and the first mobility is called as world's greatest stretch. अब इसको world's greatest stretch इसलिए बोलते हैं because it involves almost all your joints and muscles. This one opens up your hips, stretches your hamstrings, improves your thoracic rotation, and prepares almost your entire body. Now let's see how to do this mobility. So first you will come in a high plank position. Bring your right foot outside your right hand. Just remember the foot is outside and the hand is inside. अब अगर आप comfortable हो, you will keep your right leg straight. अगर आपको discomfort है, you can keep your left knee on the mat. Now touch your right elbow on the mat. Breathe in, raise your right hand up. Look up and again down. Repeat this for 8 to 10 times. Breathe in. Make sure you rotate your entire body and look up. Once you are done, 8 to 10 reps on right side, you will take your right leg back and repeat the same on the left side. Left foot outside your left hand. Left elbow down and raise your left hand up. Look up, down, up, down, up, down. Repeat the same for 8 to 10 reps. Second mobility is cat camel or cat cow. Now let's wake up the spine. So for this you will come in all 4 position. Take a deep breath in, flex your spine, push your hip out and look up. Now breathe out, round your spine and make a hump, look towards your navel. Again, breathe in, look up, breathe out, down. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. Third mobility is spine T rotation. For spine T rotation, you will sit down in a deep squat. One hand in the center and raise your other hand up and look up. Now repeat the same with the other hand. Make sure you go slow and don't rush. If your heels are not touching the mat, that's completely okay. You can place something below your heels. Remember, we are working on improving the mobility, not perfection. Fourth mobility is for the hips and it is called as 90-90 hip rotation. So you will separate your legs, bend your knees, place both the hands on the mat. Now turn both the knees on one side. Make sure your knees are making a 90-degree angle. Try to touch both the knees on the mat. Repeat the same, other side. Now keep repeating for 10 to 12 reps. If you are comfortable, then you can even keep your hands like this and do the same. Mobility number 5 is squat to stand, and this one is for your hips, knees and ankles. So you will sit down in a deep squat, hold your toes. Now without leaving your toes, just stand. Again, go down and stand. Repeat this for 8 to 10 times. Remember to go slow and don't rush the reps. Sixth mobility is dynamic thread the needle. Now this one is for your shoulders. So if you have stiff shoulders, this mobility will help you. So for this, you will come in all four position. Now raise your right hand up and slide it under your left hand. Press your right shoulder down. Again, breathe in, up and down. Remember, when you raise your hand up, you have to open up your chest completely and look up and down. So do 8 to 10 reps on right side. Once you are done, then you will repeat the same on the left side. Next one is Cobra to Mountain, and this movement opens up your shoulders, chest, hamstrings, hip flexors and also improves your spinal mobility. So let's start Cobra to Mountain. For this, you will lie down on your chest. Breathe in, Cobra. Push your hip up, press your heels down, look towards your navel, mountain. Breathe out. Again, breathe in, Cobra. Breathe out, mountain. Repeat 8 to 10 times. Breathe in, Cobra. Breathe out, mountain. Breathe in. Next mobility is scapular push-ups. Now this movement is completely for the shoulder blades. For this, you will come in all four positions. Make sure you don't bend your elbows. Your elbows will remain straight. You just have to retract your shoulder blades, protract your shoulder blades. Retract, squeeze in, protract, retract, protract. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. Next mobility is hamstring sweeps. So tight hamstrings का मतलब हमेशा ये नहीं होता that they are short. Sometimes they simply haven't been moving enough. So let's start hamstring sweeps. You will take your one foot forward, come on your heel, slight hinge at the hip. And now with both the hands, just sweep and come up. Then other leg forward, hinge at the hip, sweep and come up. Try not to bend this knee. You have to bend your other knee. Hinge at the hip, sweep up, sweep up. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. And the last mobility is warrior lunges, and this is where everything comes together. Your hips, core, balance, thoracic mobility. So move with control. For warrior lunges, you will take a wide step forward, lunge, raise your arms overhead, open up your chest and back. Other leg forward and back and back. Do 8 to 10 times. In the end, you can also do some leg swings. So just swing your leg as high as possible, 8 to 10 times each side. And some ankle rotations. Rotate your ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you have done all these mobilities with me, with all the reps, then take a deep breath in, raise your arms up and slowly breathe out. नोटिस करो आप कैसा फील कर रहे हो. शायद आपको बिल्कुल भी स्वेटिंग नहीं हुई हो, बट आई कैन गारंटी यू दैट यू विल फील लाइटर, you move easier and your joints will feel more open now. This is why I always recommend mobility, because mobility is not just for athletes, it's for everyone. If you lift weights, if you run, if you play any sport या फिर आप डेस्क पर 8 hours तक बैठे रहते हो, mobility will help you move better. And when you move better, you usually lift better, run better, and reduce the risk of unnecessary aches and injuries. Think of mobility as an investment. बस 10 minute आज can make every workout for the rest of the week feel better. Now here's a challenge for you. Do these mobilities for the next 7 days, either before your workout or on your rest days. Then come back again to this video and comment, I feel the difference. I genuinely want to know how your body feels after 1 week. Also don't forget कि अगर आपसे वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग वाली एक्सरसाइज नहीं हुई थी, then after doing all these mobilities आपको फिर से ट्राई करना है and let me know in the comments if you feel the difference. If this routine helped you, then don't keep it to yourself. शेयर इट विद अ फ्रेंड जो हमेशा कंप्लेन करता है टाइट शोल्डर्स के, बैक पेन के, स्टिफ हिप्स के बिफोर द वर्कआउट. And if you want more such follow along routines, whether it's mobility, strength training or recovery, subscribe to the channel. Remember, getting stronger is not about lifting heavier. It's about moving better. Stay strong, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.